Hi all, welcome back to Kitchen Tips Online. If you own a dishwasher, it's quite possible that sooner or later, this is going to happen to you. Now, how do I know that? It's because I spent 30 plus years in the appliance service and parts business, and I can't tell you how many times I went to a customer's house because of a dishwasher flood. Now, the good news is it's a very easy fix. It doesn't require any tools. I'm going to show you what causes it and how to fix it coming up. The most common cause of dishwashers oversudsing is residue from hand dish soap left on items before loading them. Hand dish soap is specifically formulated to create lots of suds, and even a small amount left on dishes can quickly generate excessive foam inside the dishwasher. This foam, combined with the hot water and agitation, can quickly overflow from the lower door gasket and spill out onto the floor. Well, believe it or not, folks, the number one thing you can use in your dishwasher to stop it from oversudsing is fabric softener. Just pour in about a quarter cup and turn the dishwasher on, and your oversudsing issues are solved. Thanks for watching.